The first question is expand NHRC. Option A National Human Rights Committee. Option B National Human Rights Commission. Option C National Human Rights Center. Option D National Human Rights Regulation. And the answer is option B National Human Rights Commission. The second question is what is the expansion of DSLR? Option A digital single lens reflex. Option B digital symbol lens reflex. Option C diagonal single lens reflex. Option D directive single lens reflect. And the answer is option A digital single lens reflex. The third question is what is the expansion of PSLV? Option A Polar Solar Launch Vehicle. Option B Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Option C Political Satellite Launch Vehicle. Option D Polar Satellite Launch Van. And the answer is option B Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. What is the expansion of GST? Option A Goods and Sales Tax. Option B Goods and Service Tax. Option C Goods and Service Transaction. Option D Goods and Sales Transaction. The right answer is option B Goods and Service Tax. The fifth question is what is the expansion of CISF? Option A Central Industrial Security Forum. Option B Central Industrial Service Force. Option C Central Investment Security Force. Option D Central Industrial Security Force. And the answer is option D Central Industrial Security Force. The sixth question is what is the expansion of SEBI? Option A Securities and Exchange Board of India. Option B Securities Exchange Board of India. Option C Shares Exchange Board of India. Option D Service Exchange Board of India. And the answer is option A Securities and Exchange Board of India. Seventh question is what is the expansion of AIIMS? Option A All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Option B All International Institute of Medical Sciences. Option C Air Indian Military Services. And option D All India Institute of Mobile Services. And the answer is option A All India Institute of Medical Services. The eighth question is what is the expansion of CBDT? Option A Central Board of Direct Taxes. Option B Central Board of Distribution Taxes. Option C Chemical Board and Deputy Team. Option D Commissioner Board of Development Team. And the right answer is option A Central Board of Direct Taxes. The ninth question is what is the expansion of IRS? Option A Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. Option B Indian Revenue Service. Option C both A and B. Option D Indian Research Service. And the answer is option C both A and B. The 10th one is what is the expansion of MBO? Option A Management by Organization. Option B Manager by Organization. Option C Multi-Bio Organization. Option D Management by Objective. And the right answer is option D Management by Objective. The 11th question is what is the expansion of UNIDO? Option A United Nations Industrial Development Organization. Option B Union of Natural Industrial Development Organization. Option C United Nations Inflation and Deflation Control Organization. Option D none of the above. And the answer is option A United Nations Industrial Development Organization. The 12th one is what is the expansion of NASA? Option A National Aeronautics and Service Association. Option B National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Option C National Aeroplane and Space Administration. Option D none of the above. And the answer is option B National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The 13th one is what is the expansion of BEL? Option A Britannia House of Employees Limited. Option B Biodiversity Hub and Environment Limited. Option C Bharat Heavy Electronical Limited. Option D none of the above. The answer is option C Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. The 14th one is what is the expansion of ICRC? Option A International Committee of Red Cross. Option B International Committee of Road Cross. Option C Institution and Committee of Red Cross. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option A, International Committee of Red Cross. The final question is explain GPRS. Option A, General Packet Ratio System. Option B, Geographic Packet Radio System. Option C, both of the above. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option B, Geographic Packet Radio Service.